magic screwdriver. What GPU? Oh yeah, speaking of the GPU, by the way, I am gonna use the 3090 I got for 250. You guys saw on my Discord, which finally got fixed. But for the actual build, I got the 5700 XT right here. Nice reddish. It's gonna match the whole vibe of the AIO and the case. So like I said, $500 because all this 180 and the case 50. Since I got an AIO, I could have made it 450, but I got an AIO instead of using the stock cooler. And so the SSD, that's the prices are high for that, as you guys know. And yeah, so $500 for everything really. Most likely. But this is gonna be my daily driver PC until like I actually sell it. So my personal, I don't have a personal computer actually. Personal computer. If you guys are OG, my personal computer was actually, it had a 3080 and 11600K, but I ended up selling it because the thing is, I needed to start my business, and that was like all the way back in like March. Actually, oh, never mind. Song is still in. I don't think we'll snap because most of them do that. Okay. What do you do to bypass the Windows 11 requirements? But to bypass the Windows 11 requirements, I use an app called Rufus, and show you. Here's my handy dandy like USBs right here. Windows 11, Windows 10. I won't need the Windows 10 anymore, but the Windows 11 has it. Basically, I use Rufus, and that basically removes any TPM and everything, so I can basically get like an actual, like, use it like without requirements and stuff. So, rate my PC with all brand new parts.